Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following ROM on Cross, you know it's not just your regular MMORPG. It's an MMORPG on the blockchain, and that changes everything. Today, we're diving into a topic that confuses a lot of new players. NFT items in ROM on Cross. How do they work? Why should you care? And most importantly, how can they make your gameplay smarter and maybe even profitable? Let's break it down. First off, what is an NFT item in ROM? Think of them as digital assets, items in the game that you actually own. Unlike normal game items, which live only in your account and can be taken away if the servers shut down, NFT items exist on the blockchain. That means they're unique, secure, and tradable. So let's talk types of NFT items you'll see in ROM on Cross. There are weapons, armor, accessories, and special event items. Some boost your character's stats, some unlock abilities, and some are just rare collectibles. The key thing to remember is that each NFT has proven scarcity. That's where the real value starts to show. Now, how do you get these items? There are a few ways. You can earn them through gameplay. Think completing quests, participating in events, or battling in the ROM arenas. Then there's the marketplace. Since these are blockchain assets, you can buy, sell, or trade them with other players. So if you have a rare sword, someone else might pay you crypto to get it. Here's something super important. Because NFT items are on the blockchain, you own them completely. Even if ROM servers go down tomorrow, your NFT sword, armor, or accessory is still yours. That's a huge deal for anyone who's tired of losing progress in traditional MMORPGs. Next up, let's talk enhancing your NFTs. Some NFT items in ROM can be upgraded or fused with other items. That means your basic sword could become a legendary blade over time, and the upgrade is also tracked on the blockchain. This isn't just cosmetic. It can make your character stronger and your NFT more valuable. Now, for the money side of things, trading NFT items can be profitable. Some items are highly sought after because they're rare, limited, or have powerful stats. Experienced players and collectors often scout for these in-game, then sell or trade them in marketplaces outside the game. But a quick tip: always do your research. Not every NFT will skyrocket in value. Finally, let's touch on strategy. NFT items in ROM aren't just collectibles, they're tools to boost your gameplay. Owning the right weapon or accessory can give you an edge in battles, unlock achievements faster, and even open doors to exclusive events. Basically, smart NFT ownership equals smarter play. So to recap, NFT items in ROM on Cross are unique, tradable, and fully yours. You can earn them in-game or buy and trade on marketplaces. They can be upgraded, boosting both gameplay and potential value. Owning the right NFT item can give you a strategic edge and even real-world value. That's it for today. If you want to level up your ROM experience, start paying attention to NFT items. Understand which ones are rare, and always think about how they fit into your gameplay strategy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ROM on Cross guides. And of course, keep an eye out for my next video, where we dive into NFT trading strategies in ROM.